Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the software development engineer backend role that has opened up at Juspay. This is an on-site job in Bengaluru, India, and as a part of the responsibilities as a software developer engineer, Juspay has mentioned that you will be having to build UI UX experiences that will enable frictionless user payments, that will enable merchants to manage payment options. Uh, Apart from being able to handle the UI UX, you will also have to work on backend stuff, like you'll have to handle the business logic to handle payment requirements like UPI integrations, authentication. There is also a part mentioned about data science as a part of the responsibilities. So you will be having to build intelligence for more than 1 billion transactions to be easily automated. You'll have to build intelligent payment operations, and apart from that, there's also a part mentioned about infrastructure. So you'll have to build reliable and available infrastructure that can power all the payments that Juspay handles for India. Uh, so these are all the responsibilities or all the fields that you'll have to work on if you get hired as a software developer in backend at Juspay. Apart from that, the requirements or the skills that they have mentioned, it's nothing specific. They want you to be enthusiastic about architecting expensive framework using functional programming languages. They want you to be interested in solving reliable and high performance systems, in developing low code or no code platforms that accelerate application development. So these are all the requirements and the responsibilities that they have mentioned, Juspay has mentioned as a part of their job description. Now moving on to the hiring process that Juspay generally follows for the software developer role. So all the rounds which will be happening are elimination based, starting with the first round, which will be a coding round on the Tailscale platform. There will be 3 DSA based questions, mostly graph based questions, which you will have to solve during a span of 1.5 hours, which is 90 minutes. And for all the 3 questions, they will be similar. A common description will be given, and 3 types of end results you'll have to meet. So once you get through this round, you're shortlisted from this round, you will have to sit for the second round, which they call the hackathon round. Now in this round, they divide it into two parts. So starting with the first coding test. So in the coding test, you will be given a common problem, a single problem everyone shortlisted for this round will be receiving. That will be a tree of space round, which needs to be done in 3 hours. So this tree of space question, it is a common question that Juspay asks. Go through it, go through the solution that has been mentioned in platforms like Geeks for Geeks, and be thorough before you sit for this round. Now once you get through the first coding part of your hackathon round, you will have to sit for the second part of it. This will be conducted on Slack with a mentor allocated to you. So here in the first 30 minutes, you'll be asked to explain the approach that you have taken to solve your first coding part, right? Then you will have to write the code for your party in such a way that it handles multi-threading and avoids race condition. So this round will mostly, you will be focusing on operating systems, processes for synchronization, locking semaphores, etc. So mostly you'll have to go through your operating systems very well to be able to get through the second technical part of your hackathon. Now once you get through the second round, you'll be asked to sit for the third technical interview round. So here again, you'll be asked OS questions, backend related a few questions, some computer network questions, computer architecture questions, etc. For example, what is multi-threading and what is parallelism? Why do we need to use a multi-threading system? And all these OS related, CN related questions or backend related questions you will be getting in sites like Geeks for Geeks, so definitely don't forget to go through them. Now this will be your final round that you will have to sit for. Now after you get through this round, you will be getting your final result of whether you are selected as a software developer role. So yes, they have a very predefined and clear structure of how they hire for this role, and pretty much you know what kind of questions that they'll be asking for, so you can be very well prepared for it. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the link to the application site for this role in the description of my video. Go ahead and apply, and if you are liking my content, finding it useful, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies which are hiring for internships and job roles, especially for college students, so on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot. And hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.